Good morning, student. We are doing our chapter force and pressure, and previous class we have done up to contact force that we are applying in our daily life. Students, let's proceed our chapter, that is force and pressure, and the topic will be non-contact force. That means no contact. None, no contact. This force is also known as, we can write, this force is also known as action at a distant force. Distant force. That means there is no contact of two body and this force is exerting from some distance. That's why it is known as action at a distance force or non-contact force. Means both the force are not in contact to each other. So this force is of three types. Let us study one by one. First is magnetic force. Students, you have played with magnet. आप तो magnet use किए होंगे. Whenever we are bringing the two magnet or a magnet and magnetic substance close to each other, they will attract. तो उस पे भी depend करता है कि cases कैसा है. Suppose student, this is a safety pin and this I have taken a magnet. This magnet I am bringing safety pin close to it. आपका खुद का एक्सपीरियंस होगा क्योंकि जैसे ही थोड़ा पास आ रहा है it will attract by itself. We are not doing anything. Just we are bringing close to each other. That means magnetic substance is approaching to magnet. After some distance only it will attract each other. कुछ दूरी से ही वो attract कर लेगा. That means action at a distance force. ये action किया from a distance और तो ये attract हो गया. This is magnetic force. लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है students. Suppose this is a one magnet and I have fixed it. I have taken another magnet and bringing close to each other. You will feel that yes, it will also get attracted. Then what you will do? Change its direction and then bring close to this one. That means when it approaches to each other, you will find no, it is not attracting, it is repelling. एक दूसरे को धक्का दे रहे हैं और ये लोग दूर जा रहे हैं. So this magnetic force is what? Just see, the force of attraction or repulsion exerted by magnet on another magnet or magnetic substance. Another magnet means वो substance जो आयन से बना हुआ है, that is magnetic substance, वो हमेशा attract हो जाता है. But when there is a magnet, it depends upon the cases कि उसका कौन सा दो पोल सामने आ रहा है. Students, I think you are knowing about the pole. Magnet have a pair of opposite pole, north pole और south pole. तो क्या होता है यहाँ पे? दोनों ही force feel हो रहा है, force of attraction और force of repulsion. कैसे? Just I am showing you that when two similar poles, when two north pole and north pole approaches each other, they will feel the force of repulsion. एक दूसरे को ये धक्का दे देंगे. That means similar poles repel each other. अगर वैसे ही हम दो south pole को इकट्ठे ले आएंगे, then what happen when it approaches each other? You will find it feels the force of repulsion. But when two opposite poles approaches each other, जैसे एक north है, एक north हो और दूसरा south हो, and when these two poles are approaching each other, they will feel the force of attraction. So either the attraction or the repulsion exerted or felt or experienced by the magnet or magnetic substance, that is known as magnetic force. Now I hope student you have understood. Next to come gravitational force. Students, if I throw this one upwards, ये ऊपर ही क्यों नहीं रुक गया, ये नीचे क्यों आ रहा ये नीचे आ रहा है, नीचे आ रहा है मीन्स अर्थ इज अट्रैक्टिंग टूवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. So here what is gravitational force? Gravitational force is the force of attraction with the object that earth pulls towards it. Earth is pulling, I am throwing it upward, but see, earth is pulling downwards. So whatever the things earth is pulling downwards, you have seen the apple or the fruit that is falling downwards. If we jump above, we also fall downwards. That means earth is pulling with the force of attraction towards it. That force is known as gravitational force. If the object is more massive, the earth will pull it with more or greater force. If the object is lighter, the earth will pull with lesser force. As you see, if I have taken one kerchief and one marker, and if I'll leave both together, you will find that marker will reach earlier than this kerchief. So that means greater the mass, more the mass, earth will pull with more gravitational force. Less the mass, earth will pull with less gravitational force. So everything you are seeing, that whatever you throw it up, it will come downwards by the gravitational force. Next you come electrostatic force. Electrostatic force, students, if you take a ruler and if your hair is dry and you just rub it and bring a piece of paper, it will get attracted. So why it will get attracted? Or if you will just rub it, you will find that your hair is getting attracted towards this ruler. So what happens? Why this is happening? That means some charge is transferred from one body to another body, and both the body has got charged. So when two charged object or one charged object and another uncharged object approaches each other, they will feel the force of attraction. That force is known as electrostatic force. So student, you see here the force of attraction or repulsion caused to charged object or particles. स्टूडेंट देन आपको भी लग रहा होगा ना कि ये चार्ज्ड ऑब्जेक्ट होता क्या, चार्ज ही क्या होता है. तो वेरी सिंपल थिंग आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन यू. आई होप यू नो द मैटर. व्हाट इज मैटर? मैटर इज an object which has weight as well as occupy space. और आप देखोगे पूरा यूनिवर्स जो है वो मैटर से बना है, भले वो सॉलिड हो या लिक्विड हो या फिर गैसेस हो. सो मैटर इज दैट थिंग. मैटर किससे बना है? मैटर बना है एटम से. सो व्हाट इज द एटम? एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट इंडिविजुअल पार्टिकल्स और फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर. जैसे स्टूडेंट सिंपली जैसे हम लोग बायो में पढ़ते हैं ना, सेल सिंगल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, वैसे ही एटम इज द सिंगल यूनिट ऑफ फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ मैटर. तो जब सेल कंबाइन होता है तो टिश्यूज बनता है, वैसे ही जब एटम कंबाइन होता है तो मैटर बनता है. तो ये एटम के पास कुछ अपने प्रॉपर्टी होते हैं, पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड प्रोटॉन. एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन इज हैविंग, इलेक्ट्रॉन इज रिवॉल्विंग. I'll just explaining you a little bit. एटम के सेंटर में न्यूक्लियस होता है. At center part of the atom there is a nucleus, and around the nucleus electron is revolving. Electron is of negative charge, proton is of positive charge. So when two opposite charge approaches each other, it will feel the force of attraction. या फिर when one charged body another uncharged body approaches itself, it will feel the force of attraction. हमको वो attract कराना नहीं है, just we are bringing closer, वे खुद attract हो जाएगा. That means action at a distant force. So students, these three contact, non-contact force, today we have done. Rest next class.